Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and print barcode labels in Shopify. So barcode labels can make it easier to organize products and manage inventory, especially if you're working with a retail store. The process is very simple, so let's get started. So first, I want you to open your Shopify admin dashboard, and from the menu on the left, click Apps. Then use the search option to look for retail barcode labels. Once you find the app, open its Shopify App Store page and click Install. After the installation is complete, the app should open directly inside your Shopify admin. And from the main screen of the app, click Get Started and then choose Create Template. Next, select the label type that you want to use. This controls the size and layout of the barcode label, so choose the option that works best for your products. And once everything is ready, go to the top right corner and click Print Labels. And from here, select the products that you want to create labels for. You can also choose one product or select multiple products if you need to print several labels at the same time. And after selecting your products, continue with the printing process and your barcode labels will be ready to use. And that is how you can create and print barcode labels directly from your Shopify using the Retail Barcode Labels app. So thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.